Get her, Dora. Snuff, yeah. Dora's like, that kind of hurt.
Dora's like being submissive tonight.
Dora's about had enough now.
She's like, I'm over this. Oh, Dora's so tired. She's like, come on, Snowball.
There you go. Give her a paw. Give her a paw.
Come on, Dora, come
There
back.
you go. Good job.
You ran away.
She run away from me.
Oh, Dora. It's a baby girl. It's a baby girl.
You gonna fight? You gonna fight? You gonna fight with me?
Oh,
Yeah,
you're
fight
tired, baby.
You
You're
gonna fight with me?
tired. You're tired. Good kisses?
Ow! Now we're fighting. Ha! Ha. You gonna fight?
Get her, Dora. Get her, Dora.
Yeah, sucker puncher. Sucker punch. Sucker punch. Sucker punch. She doesn't know what to do. She's like, what was that? she can't get it because I'm on her back. She's like, I can't get this thing on my back. Yeah, there we go. All right. Here. Oh, ears pinned back. Ears pinned back. Oh, you got me. Oh, you got me.
We're going, Dora. Going night. Going night.
She can't get me because I'm. Look at her. She's so ticked.
She's so mad.
She's so ticked right now. Huh? You ticked? She like puts herself up, not only around but upside down to try to get me. Huh.
This is Madison. Hi.
Little Maddie.
Hi. Say hi. Hi. What are you doing now, Maddies? You gonna go play with Snowball?
She's like, no, I'm calm.
I'm gonna